Yo, what is up? It's your boy AM.
It's Girl PM.
We're here in downtown Portland. We're gonna check out what is known as the Portland Winter Lights Festival. You can hear the drums in the background, but we're gonna be checking out all these cool stuff. So stay tuned. There's like little speckles in this light show.
Oh, cool. Looks like a steak.
Wow.
Oh, it's called We Are Made of Stars.
Oh. Here's the next light installation.
This guy is Mike Bennett. This is
Oh man, we have a obelisk of some sort. What is this called? Edge effect. Wow, wow.
You gotta get sucked into the vortex.
Get sucked in. That's so cool. Could you imagine having that like on your wall? That'd be neat. We are back.
Our tiny corner of the universe.
cute light bulbs.
Yeah. Cool. All right, let's go.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, this was called Upon Reflection. We got a koi fish. I don't know what that fish is called or what this one is.
I think they're pretend.
And then that one's disappearing. Wonder where it's going. Is it Portland? Oh, it is.
Oh.
Winter
Oh.
Light Festival.
That looks like a space mountain.
Wow.
It's weird.
You see this one?
Yeah. I don't understand it.
Yeah, we're here at the Portland Winter Light Festival. We're checking out all the spots. It's been kind of sketchy running around Portland in the middle of the night. We've seen some pretty crazy stuff. Yeah, it's pretty wild. But these are pretty cool though. Look at it.
I think they're planets.
Yeah.
I think it's Uranus.
Look at this bell over here. All right, so we finished up the Portland Winter Light Festival, and we just did our rounds, and so we just completed probably about a couple of miles of walking. It's not all in one spot, it's like kind of spread out all over the city, so we were roaming the streets for a couple hours tonight. You know, it's been a lot of fun to see all the cool sights and all the cool stuff, and other than that, we give you peace.
The